Installing new doors in your Pasadena home is an investment that not only enhances your property's curb appeal but also improves security, energy efficiency, and comfort. However, just like any other part of your home, doors require regular maintenance to ensure they continue to function properly and look great for years to come. Whether you've chosen a beautiful wood entry door, a sleek steel model, or an energy-efficient fiberglass design, proper upkeep will help preserve your door's performance and longevity. Here's how to maintain your new doors after installation in Pasadena. Regular cleaning for longevity and aesthetics. One of the simplest and most effective ways to maintain your new doors is to clean them regularly. The type of material your doors are made from will determine the cleaning method, but all doors benefit from periodic attention to keep them looking their best. Wood doors. Wood doors require little extra care to protect them from the elements. Clean your wood door with a soft, damp cloth and a mild soap solution. Avoid using harsh chemicals that can strip the finish or cause damage to the wood. Every few months, you should also inspect the door for any signs of wear, such as fading or cracking in the finish. If necessary, apply a fresh coat of varnish or sealant to protect the wood from moisture and sunlight, which can cause warping or discoloration, particularly in Pasadena's sunny climate. Steel and fiberglass doors. These doors are relatively low maintenance, but they should still be cleaned periodically to maintain their appearance. Use a soft cloth or sponge with mild soap and water to wipe down the surface. For steel doors, it's essential to check for any rust spots. If you notice any, gently sand the area and apply a touch-up paint to prevent further corrosion. Inspect seals and weather stripping. Proper weather stripping and seals are crucial for ensuring that your doors function efficiently, especially when it comes to energy savings. Over time, weather stripping can wear down due to regular use or the fluctuating temperatures in Pasadena. This can lead to drafts, which reduce your home's energy efficiency. To maintain the seals and weather stripping, visually inspect them at least once a year. Check around the door frame for any signs of cracking, peeling, or gaps where air can escape. If you notice any issues, replace the weather stripping or reseal the door using high-quality, durable materials. Keeping your doors sealed will help regulate your home's temperature, keeping it cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter while lowering your energy bills. Lubricate moving parts. Doors with moving parts, such as hinges, locks, and handles, should be lubricated regularly to ensure smooth operation. This is particularly important for doors that are used frequently, such as entry doors or sliding glass doors. Without proper lubrication, moving parts can become stiff, squeaky, or difficult to operate. Use a silicone-based lubricant on hinges and locks to keep them working smoothly. Avoid using oil-based products, as these can attract dirt and grime, causing buildup that can hinder performance. For sliding doors, ensure that the tracks are clean and well lubricated, allowing the door to glide open and shut with ease. Regular lubrication helps prevent wear and tear on the hardware, ensuring that your doors remain functional for years to come. Protect your doors from the elements in Pasadena, where temperatures can vary. Protecting your doors from the elements is essential for preserving their appearance and functionality. For wooden doors, sunlight and rain can cause the finish to fade or the wood to swell, crack, or warp. Steel and fiberglass doors can also be affected by extreme weather, especially if they are exposed to direct sunlight or heavy rain. To protect your doors, consider installing a protective cover over the exterior door or using a storm door. A storm door acts as an additional barrier against the elements, reducing the amount of direct sun and rain that can affect the surface of the door. If your door is exposed to intense sunlight, consider applying a UV protectant sealant to the surface to prevent fading. Additionally, ensure that the door is properly sealed around the frame. Any gaps around the door can allow moisture to seep in, leading to rust or rot, especially in areas with high humidity or rainfall. Keeping your door sealed will help protect it from water damage and maintain its appearance. Check for damage and wear. Regularly inspecting your doors for any signs of damage or wear will help catch small issues before they become bigger problems. Look for any cracks in the door frame, warping, or areas where the paint has chipped or peeled. For wood doors, be on the lookout for signs of insect damage or rot. If you notice any damage to your door, it's important to address it promptly. Small cracks or chips in a steel or fiberglass door can be patched with paint, but larger issues may require professional repair or replacement. Wooden doors may need a fresh coat of paint or a more thorough repair if the wood has warped or rotted. Protect glass panels. Many modern doors include glass panels, whether inside lights, transoms, or as part of the door itself. While these windows add beauty and light to your home, they can also be vulnerable to dirt, debris, and damage. Clean the glass periodically using a non-abrasive glass cleaner to maintain its clarity. Be sure to use a soft cloth to avoid scratching the surface. If your door includes a glass insert with a low-E coating or other energy-efficient features, be careful not to use harsh chemicals or abrasive materials that could damage the coating. Check the glass for cracks or chips, especially after severe weather. A crack in the glass can compromise the door's security and energy efficiency, so it's important to repair or replace damaged glass as soon as possible. Professional inspections and maintenance. Although maintaining your doors is relatively easy, it's also a good idea to have them professionally inspected every few years. A professional can check for any issues that you may not notice, such as misalignment, weakening seals, or hidden damage. They can also perform maintenance tasks, such as resealing or respraying the finish, to ensure your door stays in optimal condition. Conclusion. Maintaining your new doors in Pasadena is essential to ensuring their longevity, functionality, and appearance. By regularly cleaning, checking seals, lubricating moving parts, protecting your doors from the elements, and addressing any damage promptly, you can keep your doors looking great and performing well for years to come. Proper maintenance not only helps preserve your investment but also improves your home's energy efficiency and security. Whether you have a sleek modern entry door or a classic wooden design, keeping your doors in top condition will contribute to the overall comfort and value of your Pasadena home.